Hi, Gary with ICF Specialist here. Today we're on the Joshua Tree project on our last pour. Absolutely amazing ICF job. We've got raked walls, we've got sloped walls, gable ends, tall walls going on. Very, very large openings, as you can see in front of me. 18 by 20 feet. Just a massive ICF job that if you've ever done ICF or you've been following ICF, you know this is not easy everyday ICF work here, and the only people that I know that can pull this off is ICF Specialist. We have an amazing crew, an amazing crew leader out here, and we've made all this happen. And we're adjusting the walls down there, just keeping them plumb and straight and level. And then we can never complain about these views that we have out here. The backyard view of this house.